The Best Way to Start a Business, written by Michel Daley, and narrated by Gilbain. Table of Contents. The Best Way to Start a Business. Introduction. Chapter 1. Knowing Your Why. Chapter 2. The Basics, Getting Started. Chapter 3. Business Plan, a Roadmap to Success. Chapter 4. Business Formation and Organization. Chapter 5. Funding and Budgeting. Chapter 6. Additional Resources. Chapter 7. Summary. Disclaimer: the information provided in this audiobook, in total or in part, is provided for informational purposes only. The material is not a substitute for obtaining professional financial services or advice before starting a business. The author and publisher make no representation or warranty, expressed or implied, about the completeness, accuracy, reliability, or suitability with respect to the information, and is neither responsible nor assumes liability for actions readers or listeners take based on the content provided. Copyright 2022 by Michel Daley. All rights reserved. No portion of this material may be reproduced in any form without written permission from the publisher or author, except as permitted by U.S. copyright law. As a small business consultant and trainer, I am often asked to assist freelancers or sole proprietors who are part of the gig or underground economy. These are individuals who may be employed, but also have a side hustle or gig that is often not reported to government agencies. As a result, their businesses are beyond the reach of taxing authorities. When I suggest they organize, formalize and report their businesses, the most common answer is that it costs money they don't have, it's too complicated, meaning too much paperwork, and, not surprisingly, they don't want to pay taxes. Interestingly, many don't consider the legitimate business expenses they can use to reduce their tax liability. To be sure, there are barriers to legitimizing a business. Government rules may require expenditures for licenses and permits, and there is paperwork involved in establishing a business as a sole ownership, partnership, corporation or limited liability company. Some structures require detailed bylaws or operating agreements. In addition, businesses often need a Federal Employee Identification Number, EIN, a DUNS Business Credit Reporting Number, and a business plan with short and long-term goals and financial projections. All businesses are also required to file income taxes annually, and there are payroll taxes and other requirements for businesses with full or part-time employees. Lastly, businesses are required to establish and maintain accurate records. While these requirements can be daunting, no business can afford to ignore them. Arguably, most people form businesses as a pathway to wealth and independence. But this cannot really be accomplished unless businesses are nurtured and sized.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?